Tonight we're making a shrimp noodle salad for dinner. An easy meal, some minutes of prep, a quick dressing, and you've got something sweet, salty, tangy, and packed with fresh herbs in every bite. Thinly slice a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Thinly slice 1 red onion. Julienne 1 whole cucumber. Chop up a handful of cilantro. Peel and devein the shrimp, then velvet with cornstarch, salt, pepper, and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Now let's build the dressing. This is where all that flavor comes from. Start with 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds for a little nuttiness. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance everything out. Pour in 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, followed by 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for color and depth. Add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce for that savory backbone. Then a sprinkle of salt. In go 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil for aroma. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. A touch of pepper and a sprinkle of MSG to round out the umami. Finish it off by zesting 2 limes right into the bowl, then squeezing in the juice of 4 limes for all that bright, tangy citrus flavor. Mix that all together well. By now the shrimp should be done velveting in the fridge. That cornstarch coating helps keep them tender and juicy. Pull them out, bring a pot of water to a boil, and drop the shrimp in for just a minute or 2 until they turn pink and opaque. Then drain them right away. Once they've cooled slightly, cut the shrimp in half so every piece is nice and bite-sized. Heat up a pan with little oil. Toss in some minced garlic and let it fragrant. Then add the shrimp and saute just until they're cooked through and lightly golden on the edges. Then cook your glass noodles according to the package directions, then drain and set aside. Next, build your aromatics. In a large bowl, combine chopped green onions, sliced ginger, grated garlic, and a cut Thai chili, or save the chili for after plating. Now heat up a 1/3 cup of olive oil on high heat until it's just about smoking. Carefully pour that hot oil right over the aromatics. You'll hear it sizzle right away. Give it a quick mix so the garlic, ginger, and onions release all that flavor. Now pour in that dressing we made earlier, all that sweet, tangy, savory flavor right into the bowl. Mix everything together well so the oil and dressing fully combine. Now add in that sautéed shrimp. In go the thinly sliced red onions for a sharp, fresh bite. Next, the Julienne cucumber for crunch and a cool, refreshing contrast. Then toss in those cooked glass noodles to soak up all that dressing. Add a handful of mint and basil. And finish it off with chopped cilantro. Now mix everything together, making sure every piece of shrimp, every noodle gets coated in that dressing. This is where the magic happens. Every single bite hits different. This is a shrimp noodle salad that's bursting with flavor in every single bite. It's the perfect balance of sweet, salty, tangy, and spicy with crunchy vegetables, silky noodles, and juicy shrimp all coming together in one bowl. It looks impressive, but it really only takes a few simple steps to pull off, and it's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or for sharing with friends even. So if you're looking for something fresh, vibrant, and totally satisfying, try this dish tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.